Hi everybody, this is Gabriella from Soaptastic Lush, and coming up with some new stuff. I think it was frankincense for this one and myrrh together. Did a little marbleizing with glitter on top. Let's see what the inside looks. I did this last Sunday. It was just so soft, so I didn't want to cut it yet. Not bad. And that's what the inside looks. There we go. So I'm getting ready to do some crochet, so I got to get going on these little projects. Okay. A little strip right there. Okay. I just bought a new mold from Granberry, and it's the vertical one that it has the little plastic inside of it. And this is what it is. See what the inside looks like. What I did was I put 2 different colors, and then I kind of switched, like twisted it coming up. The only thing I was kind of disappointed on it, but I called them. I guess I gotta put mineral oil on the plastic so that it can come off. But it's okay. See what it looks like. That was a little tough to cut. Yeah, so this is the vertical mold from Granberry. And I put the color on one side and the other one on the other side. And then I just twisted the piece coming out. I guess this one stood, it's the solid green with a little spot right there, just got in there. So, okay, well when I was doing that, I tempted, because the mold I got from this guy a while ago, they were huge, and I don't like when it doesn't fit in my palm. So I go get the bubble wrap, and I put the bubble wrap through the whole thing, top, the sides, and the bottom. And this is what it is. See? All the way through. And this is a heavy one. I think this is a 6-pounder. And what's in here is organic honey. And the scent is oatmeal, milk. Oh, and there's oatmeal in here too. Oatmeal and honey as the scent, and milk. Oh, this one's a heavy one. So let's see what this one looks like. Did this the same day I did that one. Thought it would be different. All my clients are getting a kick out of it. It looks like a hive, beehive. So that's the inside of it with a little bit of the oatmeal in it and the honey. And it right around. I did the whole thing. Pretty funny. Do the whole thing. wish it would have been on the sides too, but I guess when I'm cutting it off, but pretty amazing. I went through the whole thing because this mold would just make it too much, so I thought it would be perfect just to put it all the way around it. Okay, there's the rest of it. All the way around. So this is the oatmeal, milk, and honey, and it does have the oatmeal, that's the scent, and then I did the bubble wrap all the way around. Pretty neat, huh? Something different. And this one is the mold from Cranberry, it's the vertical one, and I just put the two colors on the side, and then I just twisted it all the way coming up, and that one is frankincense and myrrh. So I thank you for watching, and this is Gabriella from Soaptastic Lush. Thank you, and goodbye.